was not my name. I'm just going to be making all my dolls video on my brother's account. I'm so sorry, everyone, because I'm not really supposed to be using, because my dad's just making my account, because he's having such a tough time. So please comment, because this is my first video. So my first doll ever was Brianna. She's a make-believe girl from Canada. I don't know much about her, even though I should. And my next doll was Jenna. She's a make-believe girl. My next doll was an American Girl, and this was Elizabeth. And my most recent doll, I just got I don't know how long ago, but her name is Anna. I'm so sorry I'm not telling you when I got them. I don't know when I got any of my dolls. I know that's kind of weird, but yeah. Bye. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I love you all.